What is the difference between hole and proton? Both seem to be positive charges, but there are some inherent differences between them. Hole is present outside the nucleus in the valency orbit in an atom, whereas proton is present inside the nucleus in the atom. Hole is the absence of electron in a covalent bond. Hole is the absence of electron in the valence band. Hole is the absence of electron in a covalent bond. Whenever a covalent bond is broken, an electron is set free and whatever void or empty space is created, that is termed as hole. Whereas proton is the positively charged particle present in the nucleus of an atom. When covalent bond is broken by giving sufficient energy, electron-hole pair is created. Whereas even by giving external energy, we cannot remove the proton present inside the nucleus. The number of protons in an atom is the atomic number, and it defines the property of that atom. For example, carbon has 6 protons inside its nucleus and it is C6. Boron has 5 protons inside its nucleus, its atomic number is 5 and it is B5. If you remove one proton from carbon atom, the property itself changes. It will become boron, but it is not so. That is, you cannot remove the protons easily. Movement of holes constitute hole current. Conventional current direction is same as hole direction. Protons have no direct role in current conduction. Protons never conduct. There are no free protons. Protons are always present inside the nucleus. Holes are present only in valence band and never in the conduction band. Protons are always present only inside the nucleus and are never present in the valence band or in the conduction band. These are the inherent differences between hole and a proton. Hole is the void that is created because of absence of electron in the valence band, whereas proton is the particle which is present inside the nucleus. Nucleus contains protons and neutrons, whereas electrons revolve around the nucleus in an atom.